Hi friends, today we are going to draw a very beautiful rose in a glass of water, and it's a video step by step. I hope you find it useful, and let's start. Okay, first we draw a vertical line like this with the help of another pencil, some curves in this place, another curve, okay, some lines. These are the lines that guide us to draw the glass of water, okay? Some lines. This is the only part I'll use some help. Now I'll draw freehand all the rest of the drawing, and you should do so, okay? This is artistic drawing. You don't need to be very exact, okay? You are not drawing the blueprints of a house, of a building, okay? Draw. This is a quick sketch that will guide us for the rest of the drawing. This is the most important part of every drawing, because if the quick sketch is badly done, all the drawing will go bad. As you have seen, I erase all lines of guidance, and now I begin the actual drawing. In this part will be, okay, the first parts of our rose. In this drawing, I will use only 2 pencils. For the dark places, I'll use a 4B pencil, and for all the other things, even this sketch, I'll draw with a B pencil. You may use an HB in case you don't have a B pencil, okay? As you see, the water and the glass act as a magnificent of the lines and the image, okay? They transform the lines. Now, the first part of our rose will be so. I encourage you, it's very important, very important, you draw softly, because we need to achieve the smoothness of a rose. A rose is a flower, and it's famous because it's very soft, it's very delicate. So our drawing must be in the same way. So don't press too hard your pencils against the paper, okay? Now this part, you don't need to draw each and every petal of a flower, never. But try to be fluid, I don't know how to say it. The lines must be loose, very loose. This is the word, this is the loose, because a flower is a free form of nature, is life in itself, is attracting, is beautiful. You need to be very soft in your lines, okay? Be free to do another petals. Okay, this way. Now, oh, perfect. Now we almost have our sketch. How we are going to shade it? We repeat the same steps every petal, every single petals, so pay attention, okay? First, we shade with parallel lines dark parts of each petal. Then, with an artistic stamp or even with a paper towel, you soft these shadows, okay? May blur the shadows and reinforce dark parts. this is the process and the making of all the petals in these rows. As you can see, this is leave white parts as white as possible, because your drawing will be cleaner than if you draw everything. I repeat the process in this petal so you can see it better. Okay, first some shadows, then I blur with the artistic stamp, then I reinforce the shadows and the edges with the same pencil. Okay. In the darker places I use a 4B pencil, but you may use a 2B pencil too without any problem. In the center of the flower must be the darker places of all the drawing, because light does go down there. Okay. With a brush we soft every shadow, because a soft brush may be better than the artistic stamp to make the smoother surfaces. I don't know if you understand me, sorry. Okay, first part, the darker places of this stick, and now V pencil again. You see? Darker places in 4B. Lighter places, B, only B, or HB if you don't have one. Okay. If you are wondering, this paper is Canson, 180 grams, and it is in the description of the video. All materials, I always put my materials in the description of my videos if you wish to know it. Okay, now we are going to establish where is the edge of the water, of the glass. Drawing transparent things is always a challenge, because we don't know how I'm going to draw anything transparent with a simple pencil. The pencil is opaque. No, it is not? Yes, it is. The way to draw everything that is transparent is not to draw over all things. Leave some parts not draw, not shadowed. Okay, not shaded. Some vertical lines to simulate reflections in the glass of our. This is not really a glass. It's a cup, maybe a cup, but okay. In realistic drawing, edges are the most important part, and contrast. But our edges must not be done with lines, with simple lines, okay? Because a line in an edge may appear like a cartoon, okay? So you must draw the edges with shading them, and not going further from the edge of everything. I don't know how to say it better, sorry. Okay, smoothing this with our brush. Make it smooth. Okay. I'm sorry, in some parts of this video I forget to take away the autofocus of the camera, and I don't know why the autofocus focus on other things. I don't know why happened this. Never happened to me. But I think this video is good enough and it is useful, so I upload it and hope you pardon me, sorry. Okay, some dark places in the base of our cup. Now This is very beautiful and we are just finishing. You see, it is not a very long process to draw this. But always manage your drawings with your pencil softly. Not only in this drawing, in all drawings, softly. It makes better reflections, better effects. And try to draw every day. Try to draw every day, even 5 minutes. So you will improve as artists. Because practice makes us perfections. You need talent, but talent is grow in every person, in every people, when you use it. Every people is ready to be an artist when it is born, when he is born. Okay, every people. Children draw from the beginning of his life. So you need to recover your inner child, and draw every day, no matter how good or bad it is. So you will improve as an artist. Stop thinking if your drawing is good or bad. Just draw, just paint, just make art as many times as you can. I know our modern life does not allow too much free time, but this gives you energy to make other things in your life. Art is just an infusion of life. You'll feel this when you draw every day. In this channel, I have more, almost 200 tutorials of drawing. Take a look at it, because maybe some of them you like it. Now recover some lights. This is a precision eraser. It's just like a mechanical pencil, but the lid is eraser, as you see. Now our drawing is just finished. What do you think? Do you like it? See you soon, be very happy, and draw a lot. Bye!